Hey everyone, welcome back to MelBZ Eats. My name is Melissa in case you are new. Tonight for dinner we have wings. I don't know if this is going up on Wednesday, but today is actually Tuesday. Wing Tuesday! So we just have some plain chicken wings here. I seasoned with salt and pepper and then I cooked them in the air fryer, 380 degrees for 25 minutes, and I flip halfway through. I also have a pickle here. I just cut it into spears. I have a jalapeno here that I cut into small pieces, and then I have a little bit of ranch. I also have some Louisiana hot sauce. You want some jalapeno? And then to drink, I have sparkling water, lemon flavor. Today is Tuesday. I think I said that. Happy Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's eat. Oh, let's put some hot sauce. Okay. And we have a little bit of ranch. Mmm. It's really hot. These just came out of the air fryer, so they're really hot. Mmm. So how is everyone doing? How was your week? I haven't talked to you guys in so long. Well, actually, I talked to you from Disney World, but it just seems like I haven't talked to you in a long time. You guys, I miss Disney World. I swear, like, our trip went by so fast. Like, it felt like it was all one day, like just one long day. Oh my gosh, you guys, today we went to Target. And then we went to Starbucks. It's like all in the same shopping plaza. And then AJ noticed that one of the restaurants was under construction. He said, oh, there's a restaurant right there under construction. And I look. It's like completely torn down. Not torn down, but like the inside's all gone. It's McDonald's. Where the heck are we gonna get McDonald's? Well, I guess there's another McDonald's down by the freeway. It's like connected to Chevron. Oh wait, and there's another one up by the other side of the freeway too. It's connected to Arco.
Yeah.
Connected to Arco. Going towards Dutch Bros.
Yeah.
It's far though. I mean, it's not that far. I was just surprised to see it like that. Like the whole inside is gone.
And the outside is just a box.
Yeah, it's just like a frame. And it was so funny because it said, what did the sign say?
I said dining room closed.
Dining room closed during, it just says dining room closed. And then around the corner it says drive-through closed.
It's just all closed.
It's just all closed. How long have we been back home?
Um,
I guess we got back on Saturday, Sunday, 3 days. Well, 4 days.
It's like it's already been a week back home.
Who said? Really?
It's like a week already.
You feel like you've already been back home for a week?
Yeah.
This jalapeno is not that spicy. Only a little bit spicy. And I'm leaving for Michigan in 12 days. I'm excited. Days. You done eating this?
Yeah.
Vanessa has, what the? Vanessa has band camp. Oh my gosh, I just missed my mouth. Well, color guard camp, I guess. You guys work with the band or no?
no, they have a Zoom band camp.
How come they're doing Zoom?
I don't know.
How come you guys can't do Zoom?
Because it's hard to split up the band how they split up the guard.
Yeah.
So this whole week she has to go to school. It's like 10 to 1, right?
Tomorrow's 10:30. Wait. 10:15. I have to check again.
And everyone wears masks.
Yeah. Until you actually practice. Yeah, everyone does. Until we start practicing, we take it off. It's too hard.
So when you start practice, you take off your mask, but everyone is spread out? Mm. Mm. That was good. I forgot to drink. All right, guys. Oh, did you guys like my new pillow? Or did you notice my new pillow? I got it at Disney World. It says home, but then for the O, it's a castle with a Mickey cut out at the bottom. All right, guys, so that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye, everyone.